Welcome to the training on the power of Facebook. I'm excited for this training. Facebook has changed my life. Facebook is for everybody. Facebook does work for your business. This is going to change your entire outlook on Facebook. So get ready, put on your seatbelt. This is going to be awesome. We're going to talk about the history of Facebook. We're going to talk about Facebook personal pages, Facebook business pages, Facebook friends, Facebook groups, Facebook ads. And what does Facebook have to do with Instagram? And what is Meta? All of this is going to be covered in this training. Do you know what's possible for your business when you take advantage of all of these features? It's endless, the amount of opportunity. In fact, I'm going to show you how Facebook literally changed my life. Facebook announced that their new umbrella company is called Meta. Why? Because of the metaverse, right? I mean, there is now coming and exists now a time where you can put on a pair of glasses, virtual reality glasses, and start looking at content. You can look at properties through your virtual reality lenses. Facebook is one of the largest revenue producing web properties, serves over 3 billion people. Do you think you should be on Facebook? I would say so. With 3.59 billion people on there, absolutely you should be on Facebook. Now, the three things that I want you to be looking at is Facebook Personal, which has made a huge comeback for your business. Facebook Business, which you've been told is the place to play, but now it isn't so. Facebook Ads, when done properly, with a proper budget, with a proper manager, can actually execute and get you a lot of leads. We've graded over 30,000 agents, so we know the biggest mistakes you all are making. And on Facebook, I can tell you it's inconsistent social media and a lack of branding. A lot of you are looking at running Facebook ads. You're looking at running Instagram ads. You're looking at how do I generate leads? Hey, let's get back to basics. Are you set up properly? So go to getyourfreegrade.com. We're going to tell you, yeah, you're set up properly, or meh, you failed. I knew that Facebook had some amazing tools, but I went even deeper just because I wanted to expose everything for all of you. And the tools that I discovered were mind-blowing. How many of you are using Facebook Marketplace to market properties? You could be marketing your properties on Facebook Marketplace. You could be finding properties for your customers on Facebook Marketplace. Now, this one is key in real estate. Are you posting your open houses? Are you creating events? Are you creating masterminds? Are you creating events for local buyers? This is more important than watching content, is actually posting content. This is how you get exposure to your people. This is how you get exposure for your properties. This is how you get exposure to your sphere. Now, what I see a lot of you doing that you do not want to be doing is just posting your listings. Please stop posting your listings everywhere. It's like you're putting a listing in front of a bunch of people that actually don't care about the listing. What they care about is you. What can you do with your Facebook business page? Well, first of all, you should be branding like Gary Ashton. This is a branded cover image we put together for him on his Facebook business page. Make sure you have some branding about your company on here. Make sure you have a call to action, like he has contact us and it links to his website. Make sure your bios are up to date, your profile's up to date, your social stack is there. Facebook ads. Now, Facebook ads is next level, okay? I want people to be careful when you talk about Facebook ads, because everybody's like, I need to run Facebook ads. First of all, it's expensive. This isn't like $100 in a Facebook ad and see what happens. Look at this. All these ways to engage with your audience. Business feed, creator studio, inbox, planner. You can actually schedule content through Facebook. Most of you don't even know this. Looks complex. I would not want to play with this on my own with like a $10,000 budget. I would be very careful what I do here because the money goes quick. Use a professional and really think about it thoroughly before you execute on this. If you need help with any of this, I'm here. My name's Alex Montalenti. Find me on Facebook, find me on Instagram, email us at hello@realgrader.com, and we can teach you all about Facebook business pages, Facebook personal pages, how to post, what to post, when to post, Facebook ads, Facebook groups, and Instagram. There's a lot available to all of you. It's just a matter of taking action, having a plan, and maybe some accountability to make sure you get it done.